In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your YouTube TV bill so you can easily keep track of your subscription charges and payment details. Let's get started. To access your billing information, start by signing into your YouTube TV account on the web or mobile app. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, navigate to the Billing section. Here, you'll find a detailed breakdown of your current subscription plan, including the base price, any add-ons like premium channels, and applicable taxes or fees. You can also view your payment history, which shows past invoices, payment dates, and amounts charged. If you're looking for a specific invoice, scroll through the list or use the filtering options to locate it. Additionally, if you've recently made changes to your subscription, such as upgrading or downgrading your plan, those adjustments will be reflected in the billing summary. For users who prefer receipts, you can download a copy of your bill by selecting the specific invoice and clicking the Download option. This is especially helpful for record keeping or reimbursement purposes. If you notice any discrepancies or have questions about your bill, you can contact YouTube TV support directly from the Help section in Settings. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope viewing your YouTube TV bill is now quick and hassle-free. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.